Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dana of Little Bean Crochet. It's been a while since I've made any videos of me talking, so just bear with me. I still feel weird like talking to myself pretty much, but I'm trying to get used to it. So in this video I just wanted to talk about all of my best-selling market makes, and they're all plushies. So Amigurumi makes. Here is a little before and after video of all of my small plushies that were just gone at the end. So I've been doing a lot of markets lately and realized everything that is small sells best. So there is a lot of different patterns that are small and just like you could charge less for them. So my small ones I've charged from $8 to like $20. And it depends on the market, of course, which sells the best, but I just want to let you know what is best for me. So I'm going to start off with the most popular ones and then down to the least popular. But again, it depends on the market, it depends on the area, it depends on the day. Anyways, to start, I'm going to tell you about this one, which I'm sure you've seen before, the mini loaf cats. These are always my bestseller. At every market, these have been the bestseller because I can do different colors. I don't know. But these are by Annie Caraway Art on Etsy. She also makes the big one. So I also sell the big one, but not as often. These are, I price them at $15 and the other one's at $30. So people come to markets probably want to spend a little less. They'll buy these ones. But you can make them all different. And they're all really cute. My next most popular pattern is the most basic that everyone knows about, is the bee. I charge $10 for these and they usually do well. I've seen a lot of creators saying like you shouldn't make these, like overdone, like they see them all the time, but they sell. They really do sell. Like every market, these do sell and they're quick, they're easy, you can charge less for them. Some people charge less than I do, but these ones I charge $10 for. But again, it depends on your area, depends on where you live. These do sell for me for $10. And you could also make different colors and kinds. This is a zombie bee I made. I've made like rainbow ones, I've made like blue and pink ones, like cotton candy-ish ones, and those do well too. And I think also having a variety of colors, just like the loaf cats, I think that looks great. And people like different ones. Another pattern that is very basic and easy, and I know everyone has seen it or made it, are the Leggy frogs. And I also charge $10 for these. These take me like 20 minutes to make. They're so easy. And again, I know everybody makes them, everyone's seen them, but they also sell well for me. They really do. They didn't in the beginning, and it also depends on the market, but recently I've sold a lot of these, but I've started doing like more colors. In the beginning I only sold like just a plain green and just like had a bunch of the green ones, but at my last market I did all different colors, like literally a rainbow of them, and they did a lot better. Everyone has like a favorite color, so those are very cute, so easy. This pattern is by, hold on, I have to look, not Jaded Co on Etsy. I know there's a lot of different ones. There's some free ones too on YouTube, but this is the one I use. The next most popular pattern for me are these birds. I sell these for $12 and these sell really well. I do different ones. Here I did a parrot, chicken. I think the chickens do the best, honestly, but these do really well also. This is my pattern that I haven't released yet. I actually have this one on YouTube for free if you're looking for a cute bird pattern, but there is a lot of different bird patterns that I'm sure also would do well. Like there's the Maybell chicken one, which is super cute and it looks fairly quick to make, but those will also do well. I'm looking to make those next, I think, because I've never made them, but I really want to. Another one people love are the turtles. I've made the tofu turtles, the no-sew ones by Megsmakespatterns, and those would do really well. I sold them for $15, I think, which I think is kind of a lot, but those one took me a little bit time to make, a little bit more than the other stuff. But those ones did really well too. I did different color shells and everything. The next pattern I think does well is the possums, opossums, whatever you want to call them. Those ones do good. People are like, oh my gosh, that's a possum. They're always like that. But these ones are easy. This pattern is by rumble_crochet on Instagram, so it's a free pattern. So that's always a great thing. Here he is. I sold these for $12. This next pattern I actually started making recently. I only sold them at my last market, but they are these little squids with these little legs. These are very cute. These ones are super easy to make, but also a little bit more time consuming than the other ones because of all the little tentacles. This pattern is by PlushiCo on Etsy. I charged $20 for these, I think I did. And I sold about, I think I brought 7. I sold like 6 of them. Yeah, this is the last one I have. Oh no, I have a green one too. And again, with all the different colors, I think helps. So I don't have any of these next ones, but I plan on making more. They are keychains. Any keychain I think will do well. I made like fruit ones, bird ones before. I had like chickens and chicks, and I had peaches and little pumpkins, and those did great. I charged $8 for those, so I made them like that size. But those ones always do well also, especially with kids. They'll like put them in their backpacks. Now I have a few patterns that are just for fall. So I have this no sew pumpkin. This is my pattern. I have it on Instagram, and I also have it on YouTube for a free tutorial. These ones did well at my first market that I made them. I actually haven't made them in a while, but I think I will charge probably like $10 for these. But my first market I made a bunch of them, and those sell, but at my first market I sold a bunch of these. I think I sold them for $10, but they're very cute. These ones are so quick too. I could probably take like 20 minutes to make them, maybe 30 minutes. Also for a fall pattern, I have this no sew candy corn. This one literally could take me like 10 minutes if I'm paying attention and not doing other things, but these ones were great for fall. Another one I forgot to mention are the mushroom boys, which I feel like a lot of people have seen those before. I charged $12 for these at my last market. I only made 4, but I sold all of them. Again, you could make them different colors. I've made like pumpkin ones, and they're really cute. I made like one with bunny ears. I've seen frog ones, and those ones do really well. And that's also a free pattern on Instagram by chunky.crochet. So I think that's all of the ones I have for now. I keep looking for more all the time. Oh, also with these mini love cats, they also have a dog one that I was looking to make by the same creator, by Any Caraway Art. And I think those ones would do well also. I've had a lot of people ask for dogs too, so I'm thinking about making those. And if you've never done a market before, just try it anyway, because it's fun and it's a learning process. Just try it even if you're scared, because I was definitely scared my first time, and I'm so glad I did do it because it is a lot of fun, and you just meet a lot of people, a lot of nice people, some mean people, but is what it is. And if these patterns don't work for you at one market, they'll probably work at another market. It really depends on the market and how it's set up, how many people come. But that's all I have for now, and thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Goodbye.